Ladies and gentlemen, you may have noticed if you subscribe to this channel or you watch it regularly that one of our videos, namely about True Restoration, my experience, in which I discuss my experiences having previously taken out a membership with True Restoration, has been removed on copyright reasons. Now, I believe this is in error. While I did play small extracts of audio from copyrighted shows of True Restoration, I did so lawfully for fair use within the law of the United States, but also, I believe, also under UK law and international law. I clearly referenced the shows. It was for a critique, clearly, of etc. So I consider that's perfectly lawful. Now, Stephen Heiner has subsequently issued what's called a takedown notification, claiming that it breaches copyright. Now, so that caused the video to be taken down on a temporary basis. I have basically appealed that by issuing what's called a counter notification, and that has to be looked into by YouTube. I think you have to give like 10 to 14 business days or something, and hopefully, God willing, in time the video will be reinstated on YouTube. But I'm just making this video to explain that's why the video is not available to view at the moment, and I am defending it. I do believe that it did not breach copyright, and quite clearly the only interests why Stephen Heiner would, object to anything like this is obviously because he's losing money potentially. But what I'm saying is true. It's my experience, objectively. Now, obviously there are some opinions in it I have about whether an apostolate can be a profit making, etc. And obviously those are my opinions, but they're opinions based on principles found in the 1917 Code of Canon Law. Okay, just to let you know, that's why it's been taken down temporarily. On a different subject, unrelated, I happen to have a second-class relic of Pope St. Pius X. It hasn't been accredited. There is no one to accredit it in this day and age of the interregnum of nearly 60 years. But I actually got this some years ago in about year 2010 or maybe 2011. Someone gave me this second-class relic of St. Pius X. They didn't actually give this reliquary I put it in, which is actually a photo frame, but I think it makes good reliquary. That there is St. Pius X. That's part of his stole. Now, I got given that some years ago. I got given this. Someone gave me this frame more recently. My great aunt did, and I thought she's not a Catholic, but I thought it would make a good reliquary. Obviously, that flower thing's someone's going to cover that up. But I need a couple cards, maybe holy cards of Pope St. Pius X to put on each side. But yeah, I thought I'd just show you this. Okay, for Sede Vacantis UK, I am Antonio Vitiello. May God bless you.